Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up free parental control on any Wi-Fi router. What you'll have to do first is simply go on your phone or PC, both works, go and open a browser. On the browser, you'll have to type the router IP address in the address bar. You will find that behind your router. You can just go to your router, and behind it you'll find the label with admin IP. If you go and type that IP right here, for me, it's going to be this one. If you type it, you will be able to access it right away. For me, let me just go and do so. Of course, once you do so, you'll have to enter a username and the password. Both you will find them again behind the router. For me, it's going to be user with a big A, admin, and the password that I found right there. Let me just go and type that out. So let me just go and do that, this, and that, then click on login. So once I do so, this should log me in. Now, I'll have to basically find the parental control or access control settings. You might find it labeled here on the left menu, but if you didn't find it, you can look for menus labeled like parental control, access control, device management, content filtering, and this depends on the router brand. As an example for me, if I go here on this left panel and click on security, I'll find here parental control. So just go and click on that. And as you can see, I am right here on the parental control option. Now we can go and set up some websites blocking or filtering. We can add some websites that you want to block, maybe some social media, some gambling, some adult content, and you can often set keyword-based blockings, entering words like adult, casino, and etc. Also, as you can see from here, block access of LAN devices at given times according to their MAC, IPv4, or URL address. You can activate extended parental control if you want to, and you can simply just go and add, as you said, some names that you want to filter, some MAC addresses that you want to filter or something like that. And you can choose an example, which days or from to, if you want some hours, or it should be every day, and something like that. So for names, as we said, we can go and add something like adults, casino, and stuff like that. You can also set time limits, as we said, for devices. It's just optional if you want to. You can leave it empty because many routers allow settings Wi-Fi schedules per device. You can, by example, block your child device from accessing Wi-Fi after 9 p.m. And this usually found the same under the same options, but you can even find it under access schedule or Wi-Fi timers. Also, once you finish all of that, make sure to save and test the settings. Save everything and try visiting a blocked site from a device that should be filtered to confirm. This method is completely free and uses your router built-in tools. So no paid subscription or extra software is required, and it works on most common routers. So if your router doesn't have parental control, some ISPs or ISPs like the Skyboard band, I guess, the BT Verizon Fios offer some free parental control settings via their apps or portals that you can use. So for you, just go and click on the plus button and add an example, all the things that you want. So just go here to the URL ports and ban any website that you don't want them to enter, like the adult websites, the casino websites, the gambling websites, everything. And of course, you can add multiple ones. So, for example, let me just go here and ban like youtube.com. I can go and do so. And of course, you'll have to add the full URL like https like then www.youtube.com. So now if I click on add, normally it should be working. Of course, HTTPS are not supported, so keep that in mind. And yeah, once you finish, just go and log out and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.